Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing video. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. We're about to see what's inside. You guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. And here we go. Hopefully you guys are doing good. Everybody is safe. It is cold outside. So here it is. Oh, baby. We got a good one. Coming from Aaoyun. I have no idea how to pronounce that name. Right there, this is their portable energy storage power supply. They say this year is going to be crazy with power, so better be prepared to stay ahead of the curve. You'll get one of these on sale right now. Yeah, it's like Aaoyun. Aaoyun? I have no idea. Sorry if I put your name wrong. But here we go. Whoop. There we go. Now we're going to open it up, test it out, see what's all about. Hey. Okay, got that one. And we got that one. Bada boom, bada bing. Oh, baby. Okay. So we got some goodies on top. Mystery bag. There's a unit. Looks like a strap to strap it on. No diddy. Here we go. Oh, let me lift this up. Oh, wow. Like the colors. Very nice. Okay, give me a second. I'll grab some stuff. We'll power it up. Give it a test. Got a few of these now, so this one's totally different than the others. What is this, gas tank? Whoa. What does that thing do? Huh. Well, that's what the manual is for. So you strap it right there. Okay, so I'll take that out. Hopefully this ain't gonna be a long video for you guys. It'll be somewhat short. That's what clips. Clip 1. Yeah, these are like the shoulder. Clip 2. But you don't have to have the straps on if you don't want to. It's up to you. It's an option. If you do a lot of like traveling, hiking, and stuff, especially the people that live on a farm with the farm animals, it'd be perfect. It's not too heavy. We got 3 USB ports. That AC. And right here. Oops. Whoa. It's like a mesh for extra stuff. Maybe like a wallet or something. USB cables. Here's the front actually. I still don't know what is the deal with this one. But here's the light. Whoa. And here's the pluggage. Pop that open. There we go. And DC. USB. We got the power. Here's the light. Should have some juice. Usually they do. Okay, I gotta turn it on first. Whoa. Okay, that's pretty cool. So there's 5 bars, 3. So that's good right now for the video. So it goes all the way up to the 5th bar. That means it's fully charged. And now you just gotta press. Oh! It's like a night light for camping and stuff. Whoa. That's pretty cool. Hold on. Let me turn this light off. Alright. See, that looks sweet. There you go. And look at this. Look at that little guy. It's not too bright either. On camera, but it's bright. You can see. Got a good portion lit up. So like I said, if you're camping, whoa. You get stranded. Super bright. There we go. SOS. What was that? Okay. You can see right there. Bam. Oh, wow. That is bright. Right in the eye. Oh, lordy. No, I can't. I see spots. Okay. Now, AC fan. Oh, this one's quiet. Okay, I can feel it. You guys can see it moving. This is really cool. Okay. Oh. Wow. That is rad. Alright. So. Oh. Yeah, that's cool. And now, what is in here? Okay, hold on. Okay, guys, we got the USB cables. Came with in the bag, and here's in the box. So, power outlet. Charge your phone, tablets. Pretty much everything. Charge TVs. You know, if your kitchen freezer goes out, you want to save your meat and stuff. This will probably keep it going for a few hours, I think. And it'll be good. But yeah, this is a nice little strap. It's got to adjust. You can have it hanging in, banging somewhere. There we go. Now, we'll be right back. I'll grab a tablet. There we go. And you can see right there, 20%, 40%, 60%, 80%, 100%. I got the USB turned on. You can see them kind of light up down there. And then click down. Charging right there. 99%. So definitely check these guys out. And I'll have my, like I said, affiliate links. All that good stuff down at the bottom. But yeah, this is definitely worth the investment. Like you have a TV and you see people playing projectors on houses or whatnot. You can use this too. Just get another adapter, run that out, have the Xbox or PS5 or flat screen or whatever you want, or a projector. You could be good to go. Especially camping. But like I said, hopefully their predictions are wrong, but you want to be safe. Definitely check these guys out. They got different ones also, so click that link, take a browse, and see what other goodies they have to offer. Well, this one's really cool, and they got this good sale going on right now. Sorry for the long video, but hopefully you guys make this purchase coming from Aaoyun. Like I said, sorry if I butchered your name wrong, but this thing is really cool. Boom. All powered to go. And nice handle. Right there. Over there. Everything's cool. Got the AC kicking. So, yeah. I mean, pretty simple. Everybody should know now about these. They've been around. But this is really cool. You can put your USB cables in there. Or you can put your battery adapter, power adapter in here. Like that, if you want, or something else. Memory cards, whatever you guys have. Alright, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good night. Sorry for a long video. See ya.